Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Susana and today we're customizing a small business birthday card. So let's begin by mentioning a few little things you cannot do on this template. You cannot change the color of the artwork and you cannot change the size and orientation of the template. So let me point out the artwork for you. The artwork here on this template are the gift boxes, social media icons, the color cannot be changed, and this glittery line as well. Everything else on this template can be changed. You can change the color of the background, also this section here. This section is grouped, so that means you can move everything together at once. If you want to ungroup it, just click on it, go to the top right and click ungroup, and now you should be able to select each section on its own. If you want to edit the text, just double click and start typing. You can also change the color of the text, the size, and select a different font type. And that goes for all the text that you see on the template. Let's remove the placeholder and upload our own logo. This logo has a transparent background, so that's why it blends in perfectly well with whatever color I choose for the background. If your logo has a color background like this one, what you want to do is go to Elements, scroll down, go to the section called Frames, select the circle, click on your logo and drag. And now it's going to look perfectly fine. You have the Spanish template below and your social media icons that are on the last page. If you have any questions on this template, please let me know. Thank you for watching and you guys have an awesome day.